This video was made possible by Mzizi International, the official African diaspora clothing brand. Visit mzizishop.com for more information. In a ceremony overflowing with symbolism and joy, music icon Stevie Wonder, the mind behind classics like Superstition and I Just Called to Say I Love You, became a Ghanaian citizen on his 74th birthday. This history-making move wasn't just a personal milestone, but a powerful statement of unity and a beacon of hope for Black Americans seeking connection with their African roots. Before we dive into our topic today, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel and ringing the bell to be notified about all our exciting future videos. For over half a century, Stevie Wonder harbored a dream of becoming Ghanaian. This dream became a reality this week as he swore the oath of allegiance, his voice rich with emotion. The ceremony, steeped in Ghanaian tradition, saw Wonder adorned in vibrant kente cloth, a symbol of royalty and cultural pride. President Akufo-Addo himself presided over the event, highlighting the significance of Wonder's choice.
First of all, give all praise to God. Since a little boy, I always believed in my heart that there was nothing impossible. With the Spirit of the Most High, our God. And for years, since about 1972, I've talked about coming to Ghana to work with the Tsetse fly and sleeping blindness. I talked about it when I had my Project Out talking book and in the visions. I've talked about Ghana throughout my years. And for now, over 50 years, I've talked about being a citizen in this country. The truth is, I'm committed to, as now a Ghanaian citizen, being a part of fulfilling the dream that we've had for so many years of bringing people of Africa, those of the diaspora, the United States, Caribbean, all of the people together. Because as I said, and I've said for many years, the only way the world will come together is that we unite as a united people of the world. So living in America, I have started, but I'm not done. I'm here to do this, to bring us together, all people of all nations, because I know that we are the original people of the planet. So it is only fitting for us to bring our children together, all of them, all of the colors and all that, of which I've never seen the colors, but I've seen the colors of people, their hearts. And I'm wanting us to come together as one people. It's not impossible. As I did believe there would be someday a national holiday for Dr. Martin Luther King, I too believe that we will have a united people of the world. Mr. President, I thank you for your heart, for understanding that the only way that the world can move forward is that we come together as one piece to do so. I celebrate that spirit. What is unfortunate is that too many people are too blind to see it. But I, with complete inner visions, I know that it is just a heartbeat away. I thank you.
Wonder's decision reflects a growing trend. Disillusioned by social and political realities in the U.S., Black Americans are increasingly turning to Ghana, a nation rich in culture and history, embracing them as family. Ghana, for its part, enthusiastically welcomes these Africans of the diaspora, recognizing the skills and experiences they bring. At least 1,500 Black Americans have moved to Ghana since the launch of the Year of Return program. Celebrities like Steve Harvey and Naomi Campbell have also visited, encouraging further connection. This isn't just about immigration, it's about forging a brighter future. Stevie Wonder, a legend who shattered musical barriers, now seeks to bridge the gap between Africa and its diaspora. His dream of unity resonated through the ceremony, a powerful message that resonated far beyond the walls of the Jubilee House. The president himself referenced a quote by reggae legend Peter Tosh: "Don't care where you come from, as long as you're a Black man, you're an African."
As we welcome Stevie Wonder into the Ghanaian family, let us draw inspiration from his legacy and strive to build a future where creativity flourishes, diversity is celebrated, and the bonds of brotherhood and sisterhood transcend all differences. His welcome represents a vivid manifestation of the goals of the Year of Return, which we commemorated in 2019, as a bridge between the African peoples on both sides of the Atlantic. In conferring Ghanaian citizenship upon Stevie Wonder, we not only extend our warmest embrace to a beloved son of Africa, but also reaffirm our belief in the enduring spirit of Pan-Africanism and the global African family, and the boundless potential of our continent and all its descendants. Today's ceremony brings starkly to mind a favorite and oft-cited statement of the famous Jamaican reggae star Peter Tosh, who once said, quite rightly, and I quote, "Don't care where you come from, as long as you're a Black man, you're an African," unquote.
As Stevie Wonder embarks on this exciting new chapter, Ghana celebrates a son returning home. This is a story of hope, of cultural connection, and a future brimming with the promise of unity. Your perspective matters. Do you believe Stevie Wonder's decision to become a Ghanaian citizen is a positive step towards unity between Africa and the African diaspora? How do you think such a move could impact the future of Africa? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. For continued updates on global affairs and diplomatic developments, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa channel. Stay informed, stay engaged. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future.